Hey, I am Bilal Ahmad and you are watching Tech with Bilal Ahmad. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a video by just copy pasting by using some amazing AI tools. We will be using ChatGPT for scripting the video content and InVideo IO to create a quick and easy video. If you are being wondering how to create a personalized video in just a few minutes, then you are in the right place. First of all, we would be using ChatGPT to create your script. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can help you create scripts for your videos quickly and easily. Whether you are looking to explain a content, tell a story, or engage with your audience, ChatGPT has got you covered. Simply input your ideas and topics and let ChatGPT generate a script that matches your desired tone and style. This tool saves your time and effort by automatically script writing, allowing you to focus on delivering great content. Secondly, we would be using InVideo IO to create your video. InVideo IO is a video editing platform that empowers you to create stunning videos in minutes. It offers a wide range of features, including effects, transitions, music, and more. By importing an avatar or cartoonized photo, you can personalize your video and make it truly unique. With InVideo, you have the flexibility to customize colors, fonts, and other elements to match your brand and personality. The platform is user-friendly interface, ensures a seamless editing experience even for beginners. Check how to create our script by using ChatGPT. First of all, search ChatGPT from your engine and then direct to this link. Then press try GPT and you have to maybe sign in to your account. If you are done, then just write what type of video you want to create. Like I will ask him to write a script for my YouTube video about a tutorial for getting rich. So ChatGPT has started. It has also generated a title for you. Wow, that's so quick. So it's just finalizing and it has also told you that here you have to fade out your music, and now we will just copy this and then move on to the next step. So let's jump into the second part. Let's open up our search engine and search for InVideo.io. Here is the URL for this. We would just redirect and we will sign in, or you have to sign up there. And here we will just create new video, text to video, and then we can simply select any template here. So as we have some motivational type video here, we would be selecting this and we will check whether it is paid or not. Use template, and then we will simply paste our description to the video here, and then oh, let's just reduce it, reduce the unnecessary parts. So it is just setting up your project, and then it would just export a whole video for you. Generating scenes, and then it's almost there. So I guess it's done. Now we can simply view our project. That's made perfectly with the background music. So you can create your video by just creating the script from ChatGPT and then adding it to InVideo, and you are done. So creating a personalized video with just copy pasting has never been easier. By the power of AI tools like ChatGPT and InVideo, you can script and create capturing videos that engage your audience. ChatGPT simplifies the script writing process while InVideo provides the editing capabilities to bring your vision to life. So, why not give it a try? Create your own video using AI technology and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.